How to clear out the Bluetooth app cache data, or simply just clear it out completely to have a refresh Bluetooth settings. This is for OnePlus phones currently running Android 15, Oxygen OS 15, and let's get started. When you're ready to do this, go ahead and use the quick access like this here. Tap on the settings toggle right here, and from here on, go down until you see the part that says apps, this right here. Now that you're here in this section, go into where it says App Management, this option here. At default, you won't be able to find Bluetooth, so for it to show up, you'll have to tap on these three dots at the top right and choose the option that says Show System, and in some cases it may say Show System Apps. So when you do this, you'll notice the amount of search items changes to a higher number. And now, to find it quick as possible, just go ahead and type in the words Bluetooth in the search bar. And this is the one you want to go to. You may see other suggestions, but you want to go to the one that says Bluetooth only with this icon here. As you go into it, this will take you to the app info of the Bluetooth settings or the app itself. Now that you're here, you want to go to the storage section, this right here, storage. And you will see clear cache and data. So clearing a cache basically will allow to kind of give it like a little refresh in terms of like the processing of the Bluetooth settings itself. But if you want to clear it out completely, like wipe out everything that you might have paired to it in the past until now, go with clear data. And don't worry, if you do this here, you're not going to lose your Bluetooth settings. You will remove every previously paired device, but you will not lose the settings itself. All right, so once you do this here, you'll press delete and it's going to clear out for you, and you should be good to go back again and normal. All right, now you can always go back into your quick access and long press the Bluetooth settings, and you can go into the more settings area and you will see anything that might have been paired before or available there for you to quickly reconnect them once again, like and so.